girls is to start a February, and that only means one thing.
Saint Brigid's Got Talent!
And opening up the show for us today is Ethan with his out of this world dancing skills. Let's give them a 2-time applause! Tore up the dance floor at the Christmas staff do.
Amazing!
And now prepare to be excited by the abilities of Louis and Donica as they prepare to put on an amazing magic show for us all. Let's hear it for the two marvellous magicians. Thank you. Welcome one and all to our magic show. And for our first trick we will so Miss Cunningham or Miss McFadden half. No, we're not going to song Miss Cunningham or Miss McFadden half. Read our minds. No, we are not going to read your minds. Whoa, Donica and Louie are going to read our minds. No, we are not going to. If you could really read minds, what am I thinking of now? Okay then. You're thinking, I know this until dinner time. Wow, you're good. Now, as I say, for our first trick, maybe my minutes, please. What am I thinking? Okay, I'll do it, but just this one last time. You're thinking, I know this until home time.
Amazing!
Right, on with the show. As we were saying, for our first trick, well, technically it's your third trick, but hey, who's counting?
You!
Fair enough. Right, prepare to be amazed as for third trick. We're prepared to take you on a trip back in time.
Back in time?
Yes, back in time. We will need some volunteers to travel back in time with us. I guess you could all be volunteers then. Are you ready to take a trip back in time?
Ready!
Here goes nothing. Wow, where are we? Well, we're still in Ireland, it's around 470 AD. What? Over 1,500 years ago? Yep, and that is Brigid.
Or Bridget?
I thought I had my ages there, Mom. Must have been my imagination. You guys, you're in the magic. Yes, Brigid. As indeed, Saint Brigid. The very one.
Amazing!
Bridget works very hard in a family house, cleaning the floors, cooking food, and feeding the animals on the farm. Even though she worked hard, she never moved her computer. Wait, and who are those guys? Oh, they're just some of the raiders, just go with it. Oh, hello, Father. Bridget, I've made up my mind. It's time for you to get married, and plus, you can do with a little help around the house and tending to the animals on the farm. But Father, I don't want to get married. I want to let Saint Patrick and dedicate my life to God. Inspired by Saint Patrick, Saint Brigid dedicated her life to helping others. Her kindness and power to heal became legendary. She wanted to build a convent for her followers to continue their good work. Father, I found the perfect place for a church to be built. Can you please help us? Bridget, as much as I'd like to help out, I can't. There's only one person who can give you the land you need. Oh no, Father, not him.
land your father was talking about was none other than the King of Leinster himself, and he was
Bad news.
Nonetheless, Saint Brigid went to King to ask him for the land. Your Highness, my friends and I were wondering if you could kindly give us some of your land. You would be doing a great thing helping others all across our country. With this little bit of land, we wouldn't have to ask you for anything ever again.
Please help us.
Let's get this right. You want my land? Let me think about it. No, ha ha ha.
But let's get away from this mean, selfish man.
Did someone just say mean and selfish? Well, to prove how unselfish I am, I will give you some of my land.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Yes, I will give you some of my land. You there, you may take off your cloak, and whatever patch of land that covers, you can keep. Try building a convent on a patch of land the size of an old cloak.
Why you? Wait, can we seriously have all the land that my cloak can cover?
Yes, I promise.
With the king promising that Brigid could keep all the land that her cloak covered, Brigid put all her faith in God.
She took off her cloak and her friends helped her lay it down. The king's whispered to be turned around the evening.
They have watched on it all as it covered the land far and wide.
Stop, stop! You may have the land you asked for. Something truly wonderful has happened here today. Come, let's talk about this building. What was your name again?
Bridget.
Wow, this is a busy adventure back in time.
And what an amazing magic check. You two are sure that when Saint Brigid's got town.
Why, thank you, thank you. Oh my, look, time. We have to go back to the future. Now time to announce the winner of Saint Brigid's Got Talent.